Hey guys, welcome back again. This is Ken, and I'm doing product reviews from the perspective of an average guy. But today's not necessarily a product review. No, today actually is kind of a DIY thing. This is a sponsored video, and what I mean by sponsored is this company came and reached out to me and said, hey, listen, we've got these 6-inch numbers that we'd like to show you and give you, and have you please do a demonstration on how you put them up. So what we've got right here is one of the numbers that was shipped to me. It's a 6-inch house number, the number 3, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and see what's in the bag real quick. All right. So inside the bag first is this nice little template. Yep. Here you'll have the bag of screws that go into the numbers. You can see here into the numbers, you have your anchors here, and then you have spacers here that you'll put these through and lock in to give your number a spaced off appearance. Here's your number 3. Very nice looking number 3. And of course your anchors in here. I'm going to recommend one thing here very quick with these numbers. Sometimes these are not completely straight in some cases. So what I want to do, and I've already done this as a test, but I want to show you how I've done this. And hopefully you can follow suit with this. What you want to do is screw these numbers in with their points. You want to screw these threaded rods in, and they have little points at the end. So you want to ensure that they're pulled out. They're faced out in the outward direction. So you can see here. So I'm going to move this over to where you can see this. I've already tested this, but I want to show you what would be the best option. While they do have these anchors, anchor points, where they show you in the card where you should aim, I'm going to show you that to help ensure that you're going to get this better located into a hole, what I want you to do is take your points and point it down. I want you to align it to your top hole. Then I want you to align this to your secondary hole, and then of course to your third hole over here on this side. Push down the paper until you hear it punch a hole through your paper. Now, once we pull that off, take a look at this. That's pretty much on center. That's pretty close on center. And this guy is not too far off of center. All right, guys. So basically, when we're putting in these numbers, these are the tools that I anticipate that you'll need at the most. Strongly recommend you get a rubber mallet. If you don't have a rubber mallet, you can use a normal hammer if you'd like, but then you'll need something to protect it with. So maybe a piece of cardboard. So when you're hitting on it, on these numbers, you don't damage them with a hard hammer. So that's why I recommend that you use a rubber mallet. So as an example, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with these letters. You saw that I did previously. I punched the holes in here, so now I know where I'm going to be drilling when I do drill. Follow the directions. It says drill holes for anchors using 7/32 drill bit. So let's get to that real quick. We don't need all this crap. We just need that guy. That is, as you can see right there, I don't know if you can see that very well. Now, another recommendation, 2 reasons why I brought the tape, is what I recommend is that you go over here and you measure the depth of the anchor plus just a tad bit. You can see here, and then we're going to put some tape right there. And this is the second reason why I basically mentioned, or I'm mentioning, that you should have tape. Okay. So you can see the very bottom of the screen there that I have found the section that I need. I'm going to put the tape right at the edge there on the drill bit, finish it off, basically like so, and that's our line, basically. So you don't want to drill any deeper than that. So my 5 from my original number is right here. This is where I'm going to put my 5 and center it. Painter's tape. Make sure that's pretty level. Now, if you remember, we got our drill. Also, we got to make sure that we hit the holes that we marked and hit these just right. All right, simple enough. We are there. Let's see what we look like. Now let's go ahead and get our anchors and get those in there. Let's go ahead and love tap these bad boys in. All right. Okay. Let's start with our favorite number 3. Sharp point out. Twist it till it locks. Whoa, almost threw one on the floor. There's another one. And then another one. Let's get these collars on. Spacers, as I'd like to call them. Let's get them in their positions. And then let's get them on this. Okay. That's started. Let's go ahead and work our way down. All right, let's slowly and surely and that is basically it.